Limited addiction. Limited addiction. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Cindy, and today I got my Boxycharm skincare box. Ooh, behold. I wasn't going to get this box originally, mainly because I looked at it and I was like, it's just one more way for Boxycharm to get even more money out of us. And, you know, we're probably going to get some great items in the Boxy Luxe in June, so, you know, I don't need to worry about it. Then more and more spoilers kept hitting, and I was like, I was kind of hoping that it would sell out before it even got, because I sure wasn't going to enroll in an annual membership show so I could get, you know, first dibs on it. So I was like, oh, good. It'll be sold out by the time it's opened up for me. Yeah, it wasn't. I've heard of Boxycharm limited edition boxes selling out very fast in the past, but I guess they must have made sure that they had enough this time. Really want to get that $50 extra, huh? Don't you, Boxycharm? Oh, I wasn't going to buy it. And then that FOMO monster, man. That FOMO monster grabbed me tightly. Wouldn't let go. So it did open up to me. I was kind of hoping it would sell out before it even did, and it didn't. And I was like, shit, I really, really want the Elemis and the pharmacy products. I thought I'd go ahead and do the unboxing with you all today. I think most everybody got the same thing in this box, although I don't know, there might be a variation. So let's get into it. Voila! I'm gonna get myself a copyright strike. The card in here: Boxy limited skincare, unlimited glow, limited quantities. So starting off, we have the, I don't know, I'm not really that excited about this one. I could have taken it or left it, but it is the Farsley Jelly Beam Illuminator. And her childproof and motherproof. Okay, open it up. This is what it looks like. Very pretty. My light is probably, there we go. Ooh, how do you open this? This is a weird container to open. I wonder if you just pull it off or something. Oh, safety seal needed to be broken. Wait. Okay, do not tilt it on its side because it will, oh my gosh, spill out everywhere. That isn't jelly. That's like, oh my God, that's like snot. Ew, look at that. Ew. It's expensive as this crap is. That was pretty. Jeez, until it decided to totally goo all over me. Jeez. The highlighter blob. Ah, it's eating everything in its wake. All right, I'm going to go ahead and swatch that. Probably because I have so much on here, but do you see that? That's pretty, kind of. I mean, jeez. Good Lord, it's all over everything now. Yeah, it's pretty. It's just everywhere. Did anybody else's come out like that super liquidy? You say gel to me, I expect it to have like a little bit of spraying to it and like it sticks to each other, not just come slushing out. We know why that ended up in this box. The Farsley Jelly Beam highlighter is valued at $40. Okay, next one was the one that I was probably the most excited. It's the Elemis Superfood Night Cream. The Elemis cream that we got back in the December Boxy Luxe was awesome, and I had never tried Elemis before. I think I'd heard of it, and I've heard like a lot of good things about it. But oh, that cream was wonderful, and it only lasted me 3 months. So I'm very happy to get this, especially since I also literally just ran out of my night cream the other day. So this is awesome. The Elemis night cream is valued at $45. It says it's packed with superfood lipids, chia, black seed, rice bran, and flaxseed oils that work all night long to keep your complexion intensely hydrated. Fantastic. I don't know if that crap actually works, but you know, they sold it to me, so I'm kind of excited about this one too. This is the, I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, Kopari Coconut Cleansing Oil. Purify and replenish. This is what the bottle looks like. It's cute. The Kopari Coconut Cleansing Oil has a retail value of $32. New Kopari Coconut Cleansing Oil gently kicks out the makeup, impurities, and environmental toxins that are living in and on your skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. The next thing in here is the Glam Glow Super Serum 6 Acid Refining Treatment. That's a mouthful. Exfoliate, plump, and pore refining. I'm gonna go ahead and crack this puppy open. Oh, it comes with a little Glam Glow Super Mud cleaning treatment sample. That's nice. Okay, and here's what the bottle looks like. Put it a little bit closer. I'm sorry. One of these days I'll learn how to film right without lights and things shining in your face. Might be the most expensive item in the box. It is. The Glam Glow Super Serum is $65. New Glam Glow Super Serum works to instantly clarify pores and plump fine lines, powered by activated charcoal to refine pores, and the Super 6 Acid Blend. Good Lord. Are they just... This whole entire lens is going to be covered with spit by the end of this video. Wow. They just love throwing those little tongue twisters on these things. Super 6 Acid Blend, a high potency complex of exfoliating AHA, BHA, and PHA. It works on different layers of the skin to loosen dead skin cells, promote cell renewal, and even the look of dull skin tone and texture. We have the Saturday Skin Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. I'm going to be honest, I don't know if I'm going to use this or not because I'm not a big fan of peeling off masks, you know. When you get to be the age I am, you probably don't want to mess with anything that's going to mess with your skin's elasticity, and just tugging on it with facial peels that's just asking to accelerate the aging process. So anyway, see, I thought this was the one that was in the cute little pink tube. So here we go. This is what it looks like. That looks cute. Saturday Skin Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel is $28. It says it gently and visibly removes impurities and dullness from your skin. Created with enzymes. I may remember in Idiocracy, oh, it's the electrolytes. We can't get rid of it. It's the electrolytes. It's kind of what that saying reminds me of. Created with enzymes from papaya and pineapple extracts, which are awesome for your skin if it doesn't cause you to break out first. This peel gel promotes an even skin tone and boosts skin's elasticity with a super peptide complex. These look cute, but I don't know. These are the Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Masks. From the Glow Recipe. That's the brand name. I guess I've never heard of them before. Sorry, I'm new to some of this high-end makeup stuff. Sorry. Glow Recipe Watermelon Sheet Mask. I guess this retails for $16, so I'm guessing $8 a sheet mask. It's a little bit pricey, but I've seen, you know, stuff be sold for higher. Hydrate, brighten, and soften your skin with the Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Sheet Mask. Gets its jelliness and amino acid goodness from a blend of watermelon extract and natto gum. NATO? The last things we have here is the Caudalie, I'm sorry, I think it's Caudalie. Grape water. I'm going to be honest, I don't know what the heck this is supposed to do for you. Extracted from French grapes, your new Caudalie organic grape water helps increase hydration and reduce redness. Okay. Safe for sensitive skin. The fragrance and preservative-free mist can be used as a toner. Ooh, giving your skin lots of soothing, moisturizing love. I don't usually use toners, but maybe this will give me a excuse to try. So that is the Caudalie grape water. It is valued at $10. Coincidentally, would probably be the only thing in this box that I'd repurchase. I don't know, because I really spending that kind of money on things, but you know, it is yourself. Okay, the last thing I'm not really that crazy about here, because I'm like, I put it in the why would anybody buy this? Why? But it is the you know, it came with the whole package, so it does match my outfit though. Hey girl. It is the Cosmetics Jade Roller. And so here's the little bag it comes in, which is kind of nice. I bet it's cosmetics. What am I? Cosmetics, not cosmetic. Jeez, oh peas. Jeez, oh peas. Oh, Lord. Here's the Cosmetics Jade Roller. I guess there's different. I've seen this now, like apparently it's supposed to help massage. Ooh, that's cool. But I guess this can help you get like sheet masks on really well. There's probably a Nike ton of makeup there. This Cosmetics Jade Roller. The tool your skincare routine has been missing. No, it hasn't. No, it hasn't. Not really. No, I don't need a damn rolling pin for my face. Sorry. No, I don't know. Maybe it'll convince me. Jade Crystal Facial Roller takes your skincare products to another level by helping boost circulation and pushing your skin to absorb your products better. You'll experience a visible change in your skin's glow, your dark circles, and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, well, I see. I'm just supposed to, it's my own fault. I'm just supposed to, like, you know, roll that dough. That's why I have so many wrinkles up here. Ooh, that kind of feels good. Oh my gosh. I had a little bit of a headache going into this. This actually kind of feels good. I wonder if this would be good for a migraine. Oh, I don't know. Ooh. Okay, stop. No. Jade Roller is $32. Girl, no. You're nice, but I would not pay $32 for you. Sorry. Nope. But we're sisters. Look at us. Total up all of this stuff, and I like to do math in my head, or try to. If my head math is right, which, you know, I hope so, because I did go to college for several years and took several high-level math courses. But if my head math is right, the value of my box, or this box, I'm guessing all boxes in general, is $268. We spent, I think it was $49.99 plus tax on it. So it's $49.99, $50. $50, you get $268 in theory. I don't know if I'd pay that much for all these other things. We've already kind of discussed this before. But $268 for $50, I mean, you got at least 5 times the value, I think. At least 4 times the value. Yeah, even if I were to like downgrade the price, you probably got at least, you know, you paid $50 for it. You probably got around $190, $200 really worth of good products here. So, oh yeah, I'm happy. I'm glad to try this out. And I'm also really looking forward to the May Boxycharm. So that's been my skincare box. Thanks for joining me. My name's Cindy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can see everything that I upload, and be aware that I've uploaded something. So thanks for stopping on by and seeing me today. All right, bye.